French. You can do this. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bonjour. Welcome to Top Perfect French. So today we're learning the expressions for moi, ma famille, mes amis. Me, my family, my friends. Learning expressions is probably the most important thing that you should do for each of your topic. Because if you know expressions, you'll be able to use them for your speaking and for your writing. And expressions is what will give you the top level of French. So if you're looking to have a 6, 7, 8, or a 9, you need expressions. They are the ones who will straight away give you a high level of French. So here are the few of the expressions I'd like to teach you today. And I'm just going to go through a few to explain some of the rules. When you're learning expressions, it's quite important when you're making your flashcards to remind you how to write these expressions or how to say these expressions, because they're not going to follow a normal pattern. That's why they're expressions. So in here, on my little flashcards, what I've done is I've reminded myself that the me, and I put an arrow there, goes in between. So it's not without judging me, it's without me judging. So when I say it or I write it, I would have without and then judging, and then me goes in between, sans me juger. And if you look at the others I've got here, it's the same. So he understands me, it would become he, me understands. Il me comprend. And this one, he makes me laugh, he, me makes laugh. Il me fait rire. And this one, he listens to me. Il me écoute, which becomes il m'écoute, because the I here and the I here clash. So it becomes il m'écoute. And as you can see, I've chosen my expressions quite carefully to learn for this topic. I've chosen 4 that follow the same pattern with the grammar. And that's because if I then understand one, then I've got 3 more. So if I can get 1, I'll probably get the other 3. So that gives me 4 in one go. So it's also quite a clever idea to think about which expressions am I going to learn and how can I learn them as fast as I can. And this is one way to learn fast. So here they are. So let's start learning them, shall we? Ready? Before we start, forgot to say. Before we start, you need to think of an action for each of your expressions, because the fastest way to learn expressions is to have an action which will trigger your brain to think, oh yes, that's this expression. I remember the French for that. So for each of your expressions, you need to think of an action. For this one, without judging me, I'm going to go for this. And I'm not going to go a little action like this because my brain isn't going to remember anything. If I go like this, like this, like this, the brain's going, what's going on? You need to give a clear message to your brain. So it needs to be an over-the-top action. So without judging me, it's going to be this. So without judging me, sans me juger. Sans me juger. Sans me juger. So very clear actions, and remember, be loud. Because the louder you are, the faster you learn. So are you ready? Right, we're going to start now. Sans me juger. Il me comprend. Sans me juger. Il me comprend. Il me fait rire. Il me fait rire. Il me comprend. Il me fait rire. Sans me juger. Remember to be super loud. So just do the 3. Ready? Can you do it before me? Let's see if you can do it before me. If you can't, remember, I'll say it again, and then you can repeat after me. But remember, be loud and do the actions. Do the actions. Be bold, okay? Don't do little actions. Be bold. Go. Il me comprend. Sans me juger. Il me fait rire. Il m'écoute. Il m'écoute. Il me fait rire. Il m'écoute. Sans me juger. Il m'écoute. Il me comprend. Il m'écoute. Keep being loud. Keep going. Keep going. Je l'aime bien. Je l'aime bien. Il m'écoute. Je l'aime bien. Il me comprend. Je l'aime bien. Sans me juger. Je l'aime bien. Il me fait rire. Je l'aime bien. How are you getting on? Can you remember all of them? We've done 5. Okay, and there's another 5 to go. You ready? If you're not quite sure, you think, oh no, actually I don't know the 5, go back. Go back to the beginning of the video. Start again, relearn the 5. If you're happy, keep going with us. Ready? I can talk to him about everything. Je peux lui parler de tout. Okay, I'm just showing you this one because it's quite a long one. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use my hand and I'm going to make it a rhythm. If you make it a rhythm, you might be able to learn it faster. So, je peux lui parler de tout. We're going to do it in 3. Ready? Je peux lui parler de tout. And again. Je peux lui parler de tout. Oh no, it's this one. It's this one. Je l'aime bien. Je peux lui parler de tout. Il me fait rire. Je peux lui parler de tout. Do you remember this one? Sans me juger. Well done. If you managed to get this one, that was our first one. So well done. Je peux lui parler de tout. Il me comprend. Je peux lui parler de tout. Il m'écoute. Je peux lui parler de tout. Okay, we're adding on. Ready? Je m'entends bien avec. Je m'entends bien avec. Je peux lui parler de tout. Je m'entends bien avec. Je l'aime bien. Je m'entends bien avec. Keep going, okay? Keep going. For a while, you're thinking, oh my gosh, can I remember all of this? Doesn't matter. Keep going, keep repeating, keep doing the gestures, and your brain will take it on. You're just repeating. Listen, repeat, listen, repeat. Keep going. Je m'entends bien avec. Il me fait rire. Je m'entends bien avec. Oups. Sans me juger. Je m'entends bien avec. Il me comprend. Je m'entends bien avec. Il m'écoute. Je m'entends bien avec. Well done, well done. Only 3 more to go. Only 3 more to go. Okay, we're nearly there. We look out for each other is the same as saying we are welded together. Okay? And then we, you have 2 ways to say we. You can say nous sommes, we are, or you can say on est. And on est is the one we're going to go for. So, on est soudés. We look out for each other. On est soudés. On est soudés. Il m'écoute? On est soudés. Il me comprend. Did you manage to say it before me? Try and say it before me if you can. If you can't do it after me. Make sure you're loud. Keep going. On est soudés. Sans me juger. On est soudés. Il me fait rire. On est soudés. Je l'aime bien. On est soudés. Je peux lui parler de tout. On est soudés. Je m'entends bien avec. On est soudés. Next one. We help each other. We help each other. Same we. We're using the on. We help, and that's the S in between. Remember this one because it's got an S there. On s'aide beaucoup. That's each other in a way. So it's on s'aide beaucoup. So we help a lot, and that's each other. On s'aide beaucoup. Let's do it like this. On s'aide beaucoup. We're holding each other up. On s'aide beaucoup. On est soudés. Did you remember that one? Never mind if you didn't remember it. Just keep going. On est soudés. On s'aide beaucoup. Je m'entends bien avec. On s'aide beaucoup. If you can remember quite a few, you're doing very well. Keep going. Je peux lui parler de tout. On s'aide beaucoup. Je l'aime bien. Well done if you remember this one. On s'aide beaucoup. Il me fait rire. On s'aide beaucoup. Sans me juger. On s'aide beaucoup. Il me comprend. On s'aide beaucoup. Il m'écoute. On s'aide beaucoup. How many did you manage to do by yourself? I'm crossing fingers you managed to do more than half, okay? I'm doing the last one. We're on the last one. So keep going another 1 or 2 minutes longer. Ready? We argue often or rarely. On se dispute rarement. I went for rarely, okay? Because often you should know is souvent. So I'm going to go for rarely. On se dispute rarement. Rarely. On se dispute rarement. On se dispute rarement. Oh, now did you remember that one? On s'aide beaucoup. On se dispute rarement. Il m'écoute. On se dispute rarement. Il me comprend. On se dispute rarement. Sans me juger. On se dispute rarement. Il me fait rire. On se dispute rarement. Je l'aime bien. On se dispute rarement. Ah, now, can you remember this one? Je peux lui parler de tout. If you manage to do that, wow! On se dispute rarement. Je m'entends bien avec. On se dispute rarement. On est soudés. That was your last one. On se dispute rarement. Wow. So here they are. I'm not going to go through them again because that's quite a long video already. But if you're not quite sure, go back, redo it again. Otherwise, look at the next video because the next video will show you how you use your expressions and your vocab to actually do the writing and the speaking to get to a very high standard and be top perfect in French. So if you're interested to know how to use this for the speaking and the writing, look out for the next video for top perfect French. Okay, good luck. Keep practicing. Keep listening to the videos for top perfect French and keep trying to be top perfect. See you later. Au revoir.